The other day I was rather surprised when my Unity subscription ran out because it means I've been making games for a year, which is very cool. I'm still really new to making games. I was kind of on and off in the first year, so it's a lot less than a year spent making games, but it's a year since I started making games. And I'm just gonna tell you all what I've learnt during that time and also what I've done. The first thing I remember making was a really simple platformer for mobile where you just tap and it jump and you had to jump around everything. And I've still got it installed on my phone actually. It wasn't very good, but I was pretty happy with it at the time. After that, I didn't do much actual programming for a while. I just sort of watched tutorials and I went on GitHub and looked through other people's code to see what I could do. And I think that was actually quite a good use of my time because I did learn a bit of stuff about that. After that, things went a bit weird because I knew how I could do everything, so I started making actual stuff. So I started making a load of 3D games. So I've got like this one where you're a cube and you've got to see how long a path you can get. I've got a game that tests your reaction time. I've got a game like Stack, which you stack things on top of each other. I've got a weird gravity simulation. I tried to make a procedural runner, but that didn't work at all. And then I had like a little brawler, which I didn't like, so I scrapped that. Then I tried to make it again, and that didn't go very well. I tried making an infinite game, but that really didn't work. I tried to do some audio visualizers for a bit, and then VFX, and a piano, Flappy Bird. And then an actual project was this parkour game, which was quite cool because I added quite a few things into that and then just sort of gave up again. And then Minecraft, of course. Why not? Why would I try to make that? I don't know. And then I started work on, a few months before I started making devlogs on Propulsion, I started making little demos for it and I figured out how to do the mechanic. It was originally going to be a game where you clicked and it would pull you towards something, but I couldn't figure that out, so I made it bounce you away. And after that, the rest is pretty well documented on my YouTube channel with all the devlogs and stuff. So if you want to see that, you can go check it out. But now I'm on to the stuff that I've actually learnt while making it. And the first one is to sort of just chill, because you've got no one telling you what to do if you're making the game by yourself. And you've got really no deadline unless you set yourself one. So if you're just doing it for fun, you can relax and just enjoy making your game. Kind of contrasting to the last one is set a plan for how you're going to do stuff. Like if you're going to do it a bit more seriously, you should definitely have it planned out as to how you're going to do everything, because otherwise it's just sort of going to get messy and it's just going to get really annoying. It also allows you to get everything done on time, so you can just sort of have time to relax, I suppose. The next is to keep organised, because if you don't keep everything organised, like comment your code and put everything in the right folder, everything becomes a lot messier later on if you decide to make the project bigger. And I've done that recently, and it's been quite annoying just sort of having to find everything, so I'm going to have a nice organise of everything soon. This one is definitely the most important one, and that's don't be afraid to ask people about anything. The Unity subreddit is amazing for this, and so is the Unity forum. Stack Overflow is great. They're going to tell you exactly what you've done wrong, and they're also going to tell you that you're stupid, which is great. Now, I would actually recommend Stack Overflow though, because they do tell you in depth as to what you need to do most of the time. Yeah, but everyone is really friendly. There's usually a load of Discord servers, like the official one, or just big content creator Discord servers tend to have a lot of people, and they are really nice. I hope you take into consideration that advice. I have only been doing this for a year, but I feel that if you've been doing it for less time than me, you might make use of it. So thank you for watching.